This is what happens when babies get the hiccups.
Sandwiches or Red Bull pastas for only $5.55 each with the new Domino's Mix and Match deal.
Mr. Hill, there's something wrong with Scooter.
Oh, what a great yawn. I just love it.
Oops, someone forgot to boost.
Mr. Hill, there's something wrong with Scooter.
Now I fight deep set iron 24 hours a day. L'Oreal's new Revitalook Deep Set Wrinkle Eye Repair. The first 24-hour eye duo with expert AM and PM treatments. Trust me, this really works. For day, repair and protect. For night, repair and restore. Together, deep crow's feet and under-eye creeping lines are reduced. It's clinically proven. It's my day cream, my night cream, my 24-hour repair. Day and night eye repair for under $20. Revitalook Deep Set Wrinkle Eye Repair Duo. And you're worth it.
That's my dog. That's my dog. Yeah. That's my wife. That's my mother-in-law.
Without her
That's my
glasses. Without her glasses. Gonna give me a retainer? That's so nice of you. You know what? Why don't you put that in a place that's safer? Like on
Let's
top of
baby
the
sneeze.
wooden...
I want
So you
to
don't
put it
crush
back
it.
in again. It's okay.
No?
Easy Dry Scalp could be your shampoo. Finally, there's a new Selsun.
Oh, Fiona, don't scratch your eyeball.
Strong itch fighters plus 5 hydrating moisturizer.
No.
Stop the itch.
Don't scratch your eyeball. It's gonna hurt.
Selsun Blue Itchy Dry Scalp.
Got the flu? Get the blue.
Hi, Daddy.
The more you experience muscle pain, the more you expect from
Daddy.
your pain.
There's the daddy.
Power eases body
There's
pain.
your daddy.
One layer that works twice, one that lasts all day, and no layers that irritate.
It's the doggy. Hi, doggy. Fiona. Hi. Mwah.